हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं प्रगति मैदान के गेट नंबर 10 के बाहर खड़ी हूँ, जहाँ पे मशीन टूल एक्सपो 2015 लगा हुआ है। बात करते हैं कुछ विजिटर्स से उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, उनके टूल्स के बारे में, उनके मशीन्स के बारे में। लेट्स कम इनसाइड। Hi sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, what's your name?
My name is Joseph.
Sir, what's your company name?
This company's name is Jurgens India Private Limited.
Sir, tell me about your company.
This company is in the field of providing solutions for improving, making manufacturing more efficient. We supply quick changing products. In the machine shop, time is lost when you change from one batch to another batch. We have products which can reduce that time drastically and make your machines available for actually machining, actually producing jobs.
So please tell me something about the tools and the machines.
So we have got what we have in our range is lot of products which includes the quick change ball lock system, which includes the zero positioning systems, which includes Fixture Pro, lot of production devices, key locking threaded inserts, quick release pins and lot of power clamping products. We also sell assembly solutions which is used in assembly. Precision torque control products is also in our range.
Sir, what was the experience over here?
Absolutely great. We're enjoying the show. We've had good response in terms of really quality people coming to our booths. People who really matter have visited our booths and that's good. It's not just Janta crowd. It's not everybody, it's really somebody who needs, and that's why it's a very attractive show.
So this is a Delhi-based company.
This company is based in Navi Mumbai. We are coming from Navi Mumbai. The manufacturing is in the US. We are bringing products from the US. We are providing application support to the companies here. So we want the US company, and we are interested in seeing that manufacturing becomes more efficient. Our products are used all over to make manufacturing efficient. Our tagline is manufacturing efficiency. That's our tagline.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for giving us time to speak.
Thank you. Hi, sir.
Hi,
Sir, what was your good name?
I am Umesh Dikshit. I am as a Deputy General Manager of Bharat Fridge Burner Limited, and I look after complete North Zone.
Please tell me something about your company.
BFW has been established in 1961, and with the milling machine and this company slowly that in 97 become the earlier it was the part of the Fridge Burner Limited, Germany, and 97 when it become the Buchard Weber, and 2007 the BFW has become the 100% Indian company, and the Kothari group is owning this company, and till 2011 we acquired one company, Matek Germany. In Matek Germany they have very precision machines, very moving column machines, and after that in 2015 April we have acquired another company called Protec for turning. They are very famous in the hot turning machines.
So please tell me about this machine. You have launched a new machine over here.
This Vortex series of turning machine we have launched in the MTEX 2015 in January in Bangalore, and this is the own product of BFW. And PL series is the product now that is the company called Protec become now BFW. So PL and Vortex we have two series machines. One is PL series, one is Vortex series machines.
So this is a Delhi-based company.
No, this company based in not Delhi, global company. This company basically, we have one plant in Germany, Matec, and one plant we have in Bangalore, another plant in Hosur for our casting unit, and another plant in Chennai also.
And sir, what was the experience?
For this exhibition. Today is the beginning, so I cannot say that, but response is good. Some top companies like Honda people are coming, and Hero Motocar people are coming, and Amtech Group people has already come, and some government organization like KAPMO Executive Deputy CMA Vikas Tandon has visited today. So looks like a very good response, and we got some inquiries also, around 4-5 inquiries also today we have received.
Sir, it's your first attempt in Delhi? First attempt in Delhi?
No. We have participated several times in the Amtex also, Plast India, Modern Machine Shop. That is we often are participating in the exhibition.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
हम वीटी टूल के नाम से हम टूलिंग बनाते हैं और इंडिया में ये ऐसी एक कंपनी है जो हार्ड के बाद मशीनिंग करती है। हम चाइना से अच्छी क्वालिटी और उनसे सस्ते रेट में देते हैं। हम ऐसी टूलिंग बनाते हैं जो बाहर की कंट्रियों के टूल अगर 4000 का है तो यहाँ पर हम 700-800 रुपये तक बना के देते हैं, और इस शर्त के साथ एक साइड हमारा लगा दें टूल और एक साइड उनका। अगर हमारा उनके मुकाबले ना हो तो आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं।
सर, आपकी कंपनी का नाम क्या है?
हमारी कंपनी का नाम वीटी टूल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।
देखिए, दिल्ली में
ये फरीदाबाद में।
सर, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा यहाँ पर आके?
एक्सपीरियंस हमने इससे पहले बेंगलोर में भी लगाई थी, उसके बाद यहाँ लगाया। यहाँ देखकर ऐसे लगता है कि बेंगलोर के मुकाबले ये भी आगे जाकर हो जाएगी।
ओवरऑल आपका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है?
मैडम बहुत, हमें टूल बनाते हुए 10 साल हुए हैं। हमें जो कुछ भी मिला है ना, हमें एग्जीबिशन से ही मिला है।
ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू मैडम।
Yes.
So what's your good name?
My name is K Bandu.
And what's your company name, sir?
We are LK Machinery.
Okay, so please tell me about your company.
We are basically is a group from Hong Kong, and we are making machining center CNC, which is based on Taiwan. It's a Taichung city. It's a very nice full chain for the machining center, and we are we participate the nice market in India, so we join this show.
So please tell me about your machine.
As you see, we have the big machine from double column machining center up to the tapping center. And now we're showing the tapping center because we are die casting background. After die casting machine, you need many of tapping machine center. We got a lot of nice raker, so that's why we join this show and we make a nice product. As you can see, some small products also we can make, tap and drill. So that's what we are good at, and that's what we want to make.
And what was the experience?
We have, as you know, according to the 3C, we have nice experience with Apple because the Foxconn is assembling the company for Apple, and we are apply the machine to them. So we have a lot of experience in the world.
It's your first attempt in Delhi?
Yes. For our LK machinery, it's the first time. We love it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hi,
Sir, what's your good name?
Diwakar.
Sir, please,
We do have some 4 or 5 manufacturers in Taiwan itself.
sir, please tell me something about your machine.
Actually, this is basically wire forming machine, and we can make wire up to 0.4 to 2.4 mm. We can make any wire form. Even we have coiler machine up to 30 mm also.
And what was your experience over here?
Actually, we are in market from since last 30 years, and India we do have more than 300 machines.
Sir, it's your first attempt in Delhi?
Sorry,
It's your first attempt?
in Delhi. No, actually in Delhi we are from last 6 years, and we do have many customers in New Delhi and nearby area also.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
हेलो सर।
हाय,
सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं मेहताब आलम हूँ और जो कि हमारी कंपनी का नाम है मिडलैंड टूल एंड टेक्निकल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जो कि डील करती है आपके कटिंग टूल्स के अंदर, जैसे CNC एंड VMC मशीन्स, जिसमें ये वर्क करते हैं टूल्स हमारे टोटल। और हमारा जो मेन मोटिव है जो कटिंग टूल्स के लिए ओनली, और ट्रेडिंग है हमारी टोटल आपका ऑल ओवर इंडिया, जिसके अंदर सेल परचेज भी करते हैं और प्लस इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट भी करते हैं इसके। और ये हमारी आइटम्स हैं, आपको मालूम ही है।
सर, मुझे अपने आइटम्स के बारे में कुछ एक्सप्लेन करेंगे?
जो हमारी मेन जो है आपका सॉलिड कार्बाइड जो है, इसके अंदर जो हम मेन जो वर्क करते हैं सॉलिड कार्बाइड, और इन जितने भी टूल्स हैं ये आपका होल्डर वगैरह CNC मशीन में जो लगते हैं कटिंग टूल्स के अंदर, इसके अंदर ये स्पेशलिस्ट हम इसके।
सर, ये आपकी कंपनी दिल्ली में है?
हाँ जी, दिल्ली के अंदर है, चांदनी आपका चावड़ी बाज़ार के अंदर है।
सर, ये आपने फर्स्ट टाइम एग्जीबिशन करी है दिल्ली में?
नहीं, ये सेकंड टाइम है। पहले हम कर चुके हैं आपके चंडीगढ़ और आपके लुधियाना वगैरह में।
आपको चंडीगढ़ और दिल्ली में क्या डिफरेंस लगा? चंडीगढ़ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा या दिल्ली?
नहीं, देखिए दिल्ली अच्छा लगा क्योंकि इसमें ऑल ओवर इंडिया यहाँ से सब विज़िट करते हैं यहाँ। वहाँ का भी रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा था, तो हमने सेकंड यहाँ भी ये लिया कि यहाँ भी अच्छा है, रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा है लोगों का, कि इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं लोग, यहाँ आ रहे हैं, विज़िट कर रहे हैं लोग।
ओवरऑल आपको अच्छा लगा?
बिल्कुल।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Hi, sir.
Hello,
So, what's your good name?
my name is Ramki. I am from Makino, India. I am the Vice President of Business Development here.
And so, please tell me about your company.
Makino is a Japanese company. We manufacture high-end CNC machine tools. In India, we are here from last 20 years directly. We have a headquarters in Bangalore. We have technology centers in Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, and also in Coimbatore. We provide total solutions to the customers, both in automotive, medical, aerospace, and also in die mold.
And please, sir, please tell me something about this machine.
Yeah, this machine we manufacture in India, in Bangalore. This machine is a very unique machine used for high volume part production. Okay, this machine for automotive, especially two-wheeler companies, and also some of the die casting companies who manufacture automotive products use this machine. The unique feature of this machine is the machine is footprint is very small, and the machine is very fast. Okay, so the productivity on this machine and also is the reliability is very high.
Okay, and sir, what was the experience?
This Delhi, this exhibition is I am participating for the first time from Makino. I see there is a lot of enthusiasm and then crowd. I hope the next 2 days will be much better. And for machine tool, I think we used to participate in IMTEX quite long back. I hope the machine tool exhibition should come more and more in Delhi.
And so, this is a Delhi-based company?
No, this is actually a Bangalore-based company, but in Delhi we have a Manesar, we have our own technology center.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.